وسهلا بكم يا شباب في صف اللغة العربية. اليوم نتحدث عن الأفعال، وفي هذه السلسلة in this series we will go through the notion of roots and forms in Arabic and how in Semitic language in general, in Arabic in particular, and how how we can create words based on a root system. And then we are going to describe the common triliteral and quadrilateral verb forms and their meanings. We are also going to consider verb conjugations in different tenses, and we are going to describe al-masdar. As you're familiar with the masdar, it's the verbal noun. So let's start. So the root system in Arabic. Arabic words are mostly constructed from 3 consonant roots. 3 roots, mostly consonant. Some roots have 2 letters or 4 letters, but they are seldomly happen, and the most common are 3 letters. These letters have the core meaning of the verb, or not just a verb, it's a family of words. And they are inserted into templates to create different words. So you have 3, those are the basic letters of a meaning, and then you can insert other letters to them, other sounds, to create a word, a different word that will have it will be from the same family of semantic family at least. Let's see examples in here. Examples are the 2 words or the 2 roots, like the 3 letters ka, ta, ba, 3 consonants ka, ta, ba, and another da, kha, la. And you can refer to kataba. I'm sure you already know it. Kataba, he wrote, which we can add to a template and create a word like kitab, book. So let's see here, kataba, 3 consonants, and we can use this root in the template. We start with m, ma, and then we add the 3 consonants we have. So it will be maktab, kataba, and we add ma with it, so it will be maktab. Of course, we change the, as you are familiar, we change the al-fatha, al-dhamma, al-kathra, al-diacritics, the short vowels. So here, kataba, with the sound or the letter M, it will be maktab. So kataba, we said it means write. Like this is the basic meaning of the word. He wrote in the past, and we add M with it. So it will be M refers to, or mim refers to the place where the action is happening. Where do we write? So maktab. Maktab, it means a desk where you write, and it can be an office as well. So it has 2 meanings. Maktab is office and maktab is a desk. Another word, the da, kha, la, it will be madkhal. M, it will be madkhal. What is madkhal? Dakhala, it's to enter. This is the meaning of the root. And we want to say with M, it will be the place where the action is happening, where you enter, entrance. Let's continue. So now we have an idea of what roots are and how kind it works a little bit. Let's see, what about the forms in Arabic, like the verb forms? Arabic has most common 10 verb forms. There are few others, but they are not they are rarely used. You probably, it will be very unlikely that you would meet one of those other forms. But mostly there are 10 forms in Arabic verbs. And those forms are based on the root system that we described. These forms have meanings and can make learning Arabic very easy if you learn the meaning. As we said right now, we just said that whenever you have 3 letters, the 3 root letters, and you add mim at the beginning, you will create a word that refers to where the action is happening. Is it always the same? It can be different, because as we said that maktab, it can be a desk where you write, and it can be an office, but it will be very similar. You will have an idea of what is going on in the word if you know the form and the meaning, the basic meaning of the form. And in this series, we are not going to describe, we will not start with verb 1, with verb form 1. because it is considered irregular in meaning. We will discover that later as we go on, and it exhibits unpredictable sound changes between the past and the present form. Unlike all the other forms from 2 to 10, all the forms, they have the same sound, the same meaning, and the same structure in the past, the present, and like with any other word, they will have the same structure, the same form. While form 1, it doesn't have that. It usually, there is an irregularity and sound changes between the past and the present, which doesn't happen in other forms. That's why we are going to start with verb forms from 2 to 10 first, and then after we finish those, we are going to talk about form 1, because you will have a better understanding of what is going on after we talk about verbs 2 to 10. I think that's it. Thank you so much for listening to this introduction. We are going to continue with forms. See you later. Bye bye.